Hey there viewers, the Bank Insider here. Welcome to this easy to follow tutorial on how to use Standard Bank's virtual cards. If you're new to our channel, this is your go-to place for insider tips on using fintech applications in South Africa. Handing over to you now, Melisa.
Thank you, sir. Before we get started, ensure that you have the latest Standard Bank app installed on your device. Step 1. Top up your virtual card. Tap Virtual Card under Add-ons. Select Top Up. Choose Funding Account. Enter the amount of money you want to add to your virtual card. Tap Review at the top right-hand corner. Review the details, and then select Confirm. After confirming, you will then see a green drop-down message stating that the top-up was successful. Step 2. Copy card details securely. Tap the clipboard to copy the card number. Pro security tip: never screenshot card details. Step 3. Use your virtual card on Uber. Open Uber and enter your destination. Below transport options, tap the Payment Method button. Scroll down and select Add Payment Method. Select Credit Debit Card. Long press on the card field and tap Paste. Switch back to the Standard Bank app and copy the expiry date and CVV number. Fill expiry date and CVV field. Add a suitable nickname for the virtual card so you know which card to use. Tap Save. Select your new virtual card under Payment Options. Pick Uber Go and select Confirm your pickup. You did it! You have successfully created your Standard Bank virtual card and successfully used it on a platform that accepts virtual cards. Why this rocks? Virtual cards aren't just cool tech. They're your secret weapon against fraud and overspending. Here's why you'll love them. 100% fraud-proof online shopping. Example: if your favorite online store gets hacked, your real card details stay safe. Virtual cards generate unique disposable numbers for every merchant. Kill subscription traps instantly. Example: signed up for Showmax? Just delete the virtual card instead of begging for cancellations. Travel smarter, even locally. Example: load 500 Rand for that Airbnb in Cape Town. If compromised, only that amount is at risk, not your full salary account. Teen, kid budget control. Example: give your child a virtual card with 200 Rand per month for Uber Eats. Declines instantly when empty. No overdraft surprises. Level up your skills. Try this with Netflix and Spotify subscriptions, online shopping and Takealot Amazon, and international payments.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, share and subscribe for more user-friendly guides, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified of our next video. Feel free to leave any questions or comments below. Until next time, this is the Bank Insider signing off.